Hi folks, welcome to You Can Do It. Today we're going to show you a quick tool for installing your remodel can lights in your house. This is a remodel can light, and over the years of being an electrician for 20 years, we started out with the sheetrock saw and tracing the pattern of the can light with a pencil and using your hand. And you know, that works. It'll work great if you got 4 or 5 cans. And then, you know, if you got 20, 30 cans you're putting in a house, we went with this plastic dust bowl that you put your hole saw in, put it in your drill, and that works as well too, but after a while this thing just crumbles up. It makes marks on the ceiling. I graduated over to this plastic, it's like a rubberized dust bowl. This worked for, I don't know, maybe 4 jobs until it heated up and burned a hole through the actual rubber here. You can see here, that's the old dust bowl that I had. I would take a can saw, run it through there, you put it up to the ceiling, and this works great too, but I'm gonna show you a device that is so fast that you won't wanna go back to any of this. If you're installing more than, 4 or 5 can lights, and maybe this is something you do a lot, or if you're just going to install maybe 20, 30 can lights in one house and you want to be precise, you're going to want to see this tool. It's called the Power X-230, and this thing is, it's an amazing tool. It has a dust bowl with a rubber flange around it. It's made out of about 1/8 inch plastic. It's really, really sturdy, and it has a ball bearing right here. You have an adjustable tool here. All of these blades are adjustable. They're interchangeable. You could actually use them on hardyback cement board. So it has a carbide set of teeth. So how this guy works, we're going to demonstrate this thing for you on some sheetrock, but it just drops right down through the hole there. The shaft comes through. It has a spring, because it's spring loaded. You drop the spring down over the shaft and you place this nut. It has a little flat spot for the spring to sit in. You tighten it down and you're essentially ready to go, other than the fact that you want to be able to adjust your cutter heads according to the size of the can light that you're going to install. This is a 6-inch can light. We've spread our cutter blades already did that before the video started, and it's set up at just about, we went over 1/4 inch bigger than the actual can light, so it fits up in there nice and easy. So stay tuned, and we're gonna head on over here and we're gonna cut a hole and show you how this thing works. So here we go. We've got the dust bowl all set up, the cutter head in place. It's nicely firmly tight in the chuck of the drill. This rubber flange right here, you'll want this to stay nice and tight against the sheetrock it won't allow any dust to come out from this dust bowl. This is a soft yellow rubber flange. So we're going to go ahead and demonstrate this for you. You want to start it real slow to get it going. Once you're through, then you can proceed with a little more speed. And there you have it. There's essentially there's no dust. It doesn't fall on you. I have a little bit just from the top of the can here, but airborne dust will not come out of this dust bowl. It's quite an amazing tool, and I've been using it for several years now. So thank you for watching. You Can Do It. Stay tuned for our next video.